Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily switch companies on QuickBooks. So just head over to QuickBooks and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next is just click on the settings button, and next under the Your Company section, just click on Switch Company. And from here, you should be able to see a list of all the companies that is linked on your QuickBooks account. All you have to do is click on that specific company that you want to switch into. And just by that, you have now successfully switched companies. You will then be redirected to a page where you can manage that specific company. This feature is efficient in managing multiple companies. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!